Jared here in the 2018. So y'all been asking for 2018 content. Here you go. So today we're going to perform a couple 0 to 60 tests. We're going to try maybe one in drag mode with traction off, and one maybe in like track or Sport Plus or something with traction on, or maybe drag mode with traction on. At the track it just spun so bad, but we're just kind of going to see. We're going to go out in Mexico here, you know, and test it out. So we'll get a couple different angles for y'all, but what do you think? Probably if it does anything near 5.0.
I did it.
We tested
I've already tried it out, and I feel like it's spinning so bad that it's not even revving all the way out.
Yeah, so like what, for low fives?
Yeah.
So we have almost arrived in Mexico here, so we're about to see what it does. Guys, so we don't know how much is going to come up on camera, but if you can see these lines,
Starts from like back.
these are like 200 feet, and you can see right here where there's a gap. That's where it shifts, and so this is up here where he started. Keeping on going, there to the end.
Well, on that right there, it shows my best 0 to 60 was 5.8, but that's not correct. I had one 5.1 today, a couple days after I got the car that I did.
All right, guys, so there you have it. It has rained just a little bit this morning, so the roads are not perfect by no means, but this was not intended to be a perfect test, like me and Jared said.
We know it wasn't going to do good.
Yeah. So, but what you can take away from this is the fact that this car shines past 60 miles an hour. It shifts into third about 55 miles an hour with 355 gears, and third gear seems to be the really good gear for this car as far as like when it starts getting up and going, especially like on kickdown and stuff. But even at the track, as soon as this car would shift into third gear, it wouldn't spin and it would just go. And it tracked 113, cutting almost a 2.360 foot. It was 2.28. So obviously it is fast, and like we showed, best we got, I think
5.1
was 5.1. I don't know why it showed 5.8. I think that was the very last one he done was 5.8. That's when the tire marks were there and stuff. But we did the very first time we got 5.2, and then after that got a 5.1. But it just spins too bad.
Drag mode was a 6.0.
Yeah, drag mode literally causes it to spin even worse than the other modes. Shifts better, and like, you know, if you're roll racing or something in Mexico from a 40, you go out a third, perfect. Drag mode is the way to go because it just squats down and goes, and then your shifts are so fast. But anyways, you know, just another quick little video putting out some content with the 18. And so I was standing outside of the car while he was doing this, and I have to say the 18s sound really good. I know we've said this before, like it is quiet, like, you know, it's not as loud as his old yellow car or my white car, but it is loud to be stock. Like, I mean, it's got a good tone. And I think Ford done a very good job. I would be curious. I've heard Mustang mode's 18 with the active, but he's got the X pipe, so his is basically, you know, about like the equivalent of like what my car sounds like. But this sounds really good. Like even inside, it's deep. It's got a good throaty tone, and so no real complaints. Go ahead and comment down below and tell Jared to get an exhaust before Mustang week, which he needs to do soon. You thought about it anymore? He's still on the fence.
I don't know.
Of course, there's a lot.
Do I drop the 1600 and go full Corsa?
Yeah.
It's option A. Option B. Do I go the Roush cap back?
It's 1,000.
1,000. Or option C. Do I just get the X pipe and be done with it?
Yeah, and you can get like I did SR Performance X pipe for $125. So
comment down below.
Let him know what you all do.
Is Corsa worth it? Is it worth the, you know, like my last car I had, I pieced it together. And, you know, I probably ended up spending a little bit more money than if I would have just bought it all in all.
Yeah. So, but his last car, he had Texas speed headers, of course, a double helix X pipe and Roush axle backs,
and it was louder than straight popped.
Yeah, so we did a test.
Headers.
Yeah, but it was expensive because he literally, other than like he, technically probably could have ordered Corsa Extreme catback. I think they're a little bit more expensive, or axleback, than the Roush axlebacks. But the Roush axlebacks are what, $560 on 15 through 17 cars. So like $560 for that, $550 for the X pipe, $800 for the headers, $300 or so to have those put on, and $50 for the X pipe and axlebacks. So he was in the $2,000 range for all that. So over $2,000. So I don't blame him for being like kind of wary, like not really knowing exactly what to do. But like we said, guys, just another quick little video. You guys have been asking for some 2018 content. Jared's car is clean, just washed it today. Really pretty, the ruby red. First time we really got to see it for more than a day of it being clean. So we'll get an exterior shot for y'all and show you how it shines in the sun here. Well, it's actually sunny in Kentucky,
It's gonna rain all week.
Yeah, so do have a new part coming for mine here in the next couple days that I think y'all like. It's gonna add to the look. And then probably gonna kind of, like, I'm on the fence too about what should I get next for mine performance wise. Should I go headers and retune, or 18 manifold and injectors? Not really sure, or a drag pack. I don't know. It's it's an auto car. I don't know if it's gonna pick up that much on a drag pack. Headers are gonna be pretty, almost annoyingly loud to drive on a daily basis. 18 manifold, there's been problems with, so it's kind of hit and miss. But other than that, guys, just another quick little video here on Down South Racing. 5.10 to 60, just to reiterate, in the 2018 Mustang with 10-speed auto. It's slow, but it's on a street tire, all season tire with
255s.
What is your tire pressure? Hit your
like 40.
Like 38 psi right now.
That's factory. I didn't.
So yeah, we've not done anything. This is as the car comes, stock.
Which is higher than it's supposed to be rated from factory, so I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, what do they recommend? 32?
32.
32?
32, 33.
Yeah, so.
And it came with 40 in it. I'll probably let some out. Maybe that will help.
Probably a little bit, but it also needs tires. Comment down below and tell him to spend a little bit more money and go ahead and get wheels. No, I'm kidding, but like we said, guys, just another quick little video here. We're gonna wrap this up. And go ahead and subscribe down below if you like this video. Like I said, we try to put out content 3 to 5 times a week or so. And we think it's pretty good. You think it's pretty good?
Yep.
It's not bad. But we got 3 members. We're about to go see Wade here in a minute. He wants to wash his Infiniti, and he's lazy and can't do it by himself. So, taking an L on this. But
also, if you're going to Mustang Week, comment below. We'd like to meet up with as many people. I know we got some pretty big name YouTubers that we have plans on doing stuff with down there. So we'll give you all a little hint. We've been in contacts with a little bit of Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle, and obviously Stang Mode. He and I have become pretty good buddies, and Jared, just from meeting at the YouTube call out. And so we're going to try to meet down there, and anybody else who wants to meet up, like Jared said, we would love to meet everybody. And we're what we plan on going down the 5th and or the 6th and staying for 2 or 3 days. Yeah,
so
we're in college right now, so it's hard for us to take off that whole week just because we have class. So we are going to miss a day or so of class, but it won't be that bad.
Yeah, we'll be able to make that up. So it shouldn't be too bad. But again, guys, just go ahead and give this video a like. If you have a 2018 Mustang, let us know what you've been able to record on your track apps in your car. And again, they're not 100,000% accurate. They're just a good measurement. And so they're a good tool to have. And the track apps in the 2018 or 2013 Mustangs and up are pretty cool, actually. It's a pretty cool performance feature. So it lets you kind of know where you're at. But we've been putting them to use today. And until next time, guys, this is Zach and Jared signing off once again.